The type of visa is B1. And I know some students get a little bit worried because it's under an umbrella B1, B2. Now, B2 is for, leisure, travel, for vacationing. B1 is for business. And under that, there are several categories, of which clerkships and rotations are specifically qualified. So even though it does come under that umbrella, it will be shown during the actual visa appointment, and where you fill out the DS-160, it will be B1. So there's no confusion there. It's just kind of the way they have it set up. And of course, what is very important is that every consular office, embassy, all have their own specific rules. So there's no script out there saying, hey, bring these exact documents, although there's core documents, we'll go over that in a minute. But basically, you really have to do a little bit of your own research on which consulate you're going to, which embassy. And I think a great resource for that, and I would write this down, is a website, and it's funded by the government, has all the information on there. You can literally click the type of visa, what country, and all this information and what's required, the steps, because it's all a little bit different everywhere. And this website is ustraveldocs.com. And so we'll have that probably in the little Q&A chat later, but that is a very, very, very important resource. And I would recommend that to anyone, because you can ask and you can write notes now, but again, it'll be a little bit different everywhere else. So I think that's a wonderful resource that people don't really recognize or know unless you're kind of in the business. So again, ustraveldocs.com. So make sure you visit that site, and I think you guys will be happy about that. So basically the process on a legal standpoint is that you obviously would file for the visa appointment, and that is, again, it's outlined on each embassy's site, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You go onto the website, you pay the fee, you fill out the information. And I know a lot of you guys have a little bit of questions on what information needs to be filled where. And so I think that can be taken on a case-by-case basis. But I believe one of the main questions was, who is my sponsor? Who is my petitioner over here? And I think that won't be me, the attorney. It will be the doctor that you are going to be working under. So when they're asking for that contact, that is the contact you'll be filling in. And we've also put that in our legal letter as well. When they're interviewing you, I don't think that'll be a problem because it is in the legal letter. But just when filling out the form, I know a lot of people get apprehensive, and so there you put that in.